back to James World, all you beautiful people. I'm so glad you came, subscribed, conquered, hit that like, you know the doohickey. Okay, guys. Oh, wow. Just randomly, there's a bunch of ducks right in my intro. Go Ducks. Go Ducks. Oh. Yeah. Isn't that beautiful? Now that's what you call a photobomb, guys. Bing. We're in Calgary. I flew in on one of those things up there, the Thunderbirds of the sky. Beautiful evening, not too hot, not like last time. Truck's ready to go. I'm off to see Georgia and Edmonton, but for here, I'm here in Calgary. It's a beautiful thing. No mass, everything's getting pretty cool. I've rented a Scooch. You know me and my Scoochin. So, I'm just blown away how beautiful Calgary is. I am just blown away, blown away, blown away. And I have been here for 15 minutes, okay. Amazing hotel, the Alt Hotel. I'll show you all that. Let's see where the night takes us. I'm just here for the night. So I walk out to the parking lot, my truck's not there. And I'm like, I 100% parked there. But this time I'm walking towards the truck where it was supposed to be. It's not there. I'm like, oh shit, it's stolen. I'm like right there, like I almost like I could have cried. I mean, I could cry right now. The beautiful Alt Hotel over here. I'm not sure the name of it, but I'll find out. Rent Scoochers, so we're going Scooch. I'm just gonna drive. I'm dropping my shit off, and we're going Scooch. Chilling seats. Clocks of the world. Just in case you need a computer. And maybe you brought your own banana and peanut butter sandwiches. Cool. I like it. Zen for your morning mantra. Oh, I love this. Little bonsai thingy-mabobber doohickey cool centerpiece. I love it. This is very nice. Very inspiring. Little nook. A sweet pool table. That would actually be really fun. I like it. But I am so tired. Okay, I am so going in this. Oh yeah. Good thing I did. Oh, nice. It said only a double bed, but you know what? Holy shit. Oh, king size bed. Wow. Yeah, what a deal. That I really love. Beautiful fox. It's nice. Oh, what a great idea. Just build a little box. That's smart. Okay, the view. What are we looking at? 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 Ooh. So this, we're gonna go Scoochin all along this Bow River. I found out that's what it's called. And we're gonna scooch all over here. There's all kinds of bridges and such. Oh, that river looks so nice. I can't wait to get home to my river. Here we go. Put your card in the whole time that you're in your room. Then the lights turn on. Down. I don't want them all the way through. Oh wow. Light on. Ooh. Look at this. Nice mirror. I love. This is sick. This is sick. Some LED lighting. Got that happening. Nice shower, glass door. Mwah. I think I'm gonna like it here. Got a bird. Oh, there's people just birding everywhere. So I call it Scoochin. It's like probably my favorite thing to do for fun outside of other things. Okay, wait a second. I wanted to show you these beautiful pictures. Life in Calgary, Winnipeg here a little bit. It's Scoochin time. I'm ready, baby. We're at Riverwalk. One of the most magical places I've ever been to in a city. Take note, Vancouver. Now we're Scoochin. Just the Alt Hotel is right across the street there. We're at the Bull River. Just like all this river. I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven. There's bridges everywhere. I'm gonna get so lost. And you're supposed to wear a helmet, so how about I get a fine? If I do, I'm going to dispute the ticket. On the rules, I read it. The local rules do not state that you have to be wearing a helmet. It just says that on the bike. Of course, I recommend that, but I just don't have a helmet. These guys are fucking smart. Check this out. Everyone's Scoochin. It's the best way to get around, man. It's the best way to get around. Whoa, Lamborghini. Where? Freaking Lamborghini for sure. Before I even scooch over this bridge, which is so cool, there's a shot of the Bull River. Let's go to the middle. So peaceful. Come off the bridge like I showed you. Just come around the corner. And here they have created a little river pool beach. Isn't that something special? You have the main river here, and then they just have a little bit coming in. Wow, that's cool. And you got this little island you can go to, sit under the tree. Oh, that must be the outflow. They don't allow you to go through there. This just snakes along. So magical. Roots, all man-made and structured. Just beautiful evening, 25 degrees. Magic is in the air. Look at that sun. Just chilling. Here's where the spillway comes down And this is where they can raise or lower the amount of water that trickles in so that it doesn't flood. So, very interesting. And yet again, more magic. This is like the spillway or something coming on. See this just beautiful water at the end of the I came on the Scooch and I freaking biffed her. I'm like, okay, Scoochin doesn't go on gravel, but they definitely can 4x. The city skyline. I literally have stopped every 10 seconds. But there's so much. Oh, this is just amazing. This is beautiful. Right here at the river, there's a pair of pants. I want to set it free. Right in the heart of the city. Water is so clear, you can see those stones. Whole bunch of baby ducks, they're so cute. Yeah! It's called the Rise. It's just slope. For lovers elope. So here's the back end. You can walk up the stairs. This little guy goes, I'm going up, and then the sister at the top's like, it's too high for you. He's like, I'm going up. And he made it. Look at that. That's how it's done. Just don't be afraid. Just climb that mountain. There's some Canada geese just chilling. Lots of wildlife birds. It's epic. They have a dog park right here. Just right beside, like if you're at the hotel and you had a dog or whatever, you have this artificial astroturf, and here's all the little guys running around. Botanical garden. All kinds of stuff in there. I'm gonna go have a look. An hour has begun. Even had some good off-roading here, and these birds are well capable of off-roading. Here we go. Scooch with James. Practicing my one-handed. This is where you can get married in Calgary. It's the most romantic place. The gazebo of love. That was dumb. Whew, that was close. So I have decided to not scooch and hold the phone. So I got lucky with that little footage there. Thought I could rip down this road. So I'm gonna crank my tunes, I'm gonna put down the camera, and I am absolutely going to feel the magic in the air tonight. On the Scooch path, we're starting to hit some downtown stuff, but they're just parks and dogs and rabbits and just people and awesome. Riverside Bend, and whoa, wow. I'd love to climb that tree. Restaurant. This is so rare. A great blue heron. Cool, there's a folk festival in the park. cruising along, warm summer winds, downtown Calgary. Not too busy, nice. Got my Scooch. It only goes 20, mine goes 30, but this one's 20 is good in the city. It's fine. Unless you're getaway.
Your stride, it is taking rolling down. Love forever, love is free. Let's turn forever, you and me. Windmill, windmill for the land, you, everybody in. Laughing gas, these hazmats, fast cats, lining them up like ass crack. Ladies, ponies at the track, it's my chocolate attack. Shit, I'm stepping in harder this year. Yeah, bear repping in harder this year.
I'm totally lost and my Google doesn't work. Scoochin downtown. I'm tired, so I need to get the fuck out of here. My bird guy's out. I'm on the walk. I'm walking across the street. I'm lucky. Right across there's another one. And it's on the walk, and this dude just literally in like a Mercedes. Didn't even give a shit. Just good thing I got out of the way. Okay, this bridge here, when you go under it, I literally have to duck my head. I'm not shitting you. It is so badass. Okay, I thought I was lost, but I found my way. The GPS didn't work that great downtown.
She has a gravity, ha 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 ha. We gon' ghost town, this Motown with your sound. You in the blink, gon' bite the dust, can't fight with us. With your sound, you kill the ink, so don't stop, get it, until you chin and hit it. Watch the way I navigate. Ha 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 ha.
So just steps away from the hotel. It's nighttime. I got lost, but then I found myself. This place is just so beautiful. The stunning details put into this park that are just, I mean, it's not even a park, it's a community. Wow, I'm just blown away. Aside from the fact that I live beside a real river, which kicks ass, this is nice to visit. I am so tired right now. It's just after midnight. Having a chill. You know, guys, that's a vlog. So with that, I thank you so much for joining me on my journey today. Tomorrow I get my truck. There'll be some more shit. So this vlog's not over yet, so don't freaking go yet, alright? Stay tuned. There he is. Spirit lives on. Oh, yeah.